Well, good morning. We are in Tak or Tak, I never know how to pronounce it. We spent 2 nights here, which was good to just recharge, rest, do some laundry, do some work.
It really brought home to me how important it is to have rest days. We've been go because we want to squeeze as much in as we possibly can, but rest days are important, particularly when you did the ride the length that we did the other day.
Yeah, and for some that may not be such a big thing, especially when you look at how many kilometers we did. But we had a 6.5-hour ride altogether, and by the end of the day it was hot and painful on scooters as well. So we need rest days, and the conclusion was that a month is never enough. But today we're heading further down south. We are going towards Hua Hin. And that's going to be 2 long days in a row. Long again, not in kilometers so much as in hours, so 2 more than 5-hour days. Yesterday was 35 degrees here, so going further south I'm expecting it's going to be the same. And we're going to stay in a little town that I couldn't even find the name in English, so we just had to somehow copy the destination into the map and hope that we get where we wanted it.
So now, I guess we should get on the road to this town that we don't know the name of. So we'll see you on the road.
Here's your microphone.
So we're now in the town of Dan Chang, that to me sounds like a real estate agent, but nonetheless, this is a town that positively 30 people call home.
No, it's quite a sizable
town. Yeah.
Very dry, very hot, surrounded by sugarcane fields. Very dusty.
It was actually an easy run today. We started out early. We're here by 2 o'clock.
It was hot, but otherwise it was easy.
Yeah.
It was mainly main roads, occasionally turn left, turn right on back streets.
Back roads.
Back roads between villages, but it was just easy.
Yeah.
Other than the heat.
Yeah. The heat was a bit wearing admittedly, but nonetheless.
34 degrees now, I think, here.
Yeah.
And then of course some of the touring bikes, just as we were coming into town. The mentality here is that bikes have no business close to the center of the road. There is a designated bike lane, which may or may not be clean or empty, so we are a bit wary of that at higher speeds. But you have the bike lane, and then you have 1 or 2 lanes of the road in one direction, and then suddenly there are these touring bikes coming up from the back. The bike lane has only me, the first lane has only David, the second lane is full of cars, and they come from the back and overtake across the double continuous lane right, heading the oncoming traffic. And that's what gives a bad reputation to tourists, I believe.
But we're here, and we're going to go and see if we can find something to eat. And tomorrow we head to Hua Hin, so I guess we'll catch you on that video.
A few moments later.
So we were walking around looking for something to eat, and of course this Dan Chang is not a tourist city.
And it's Sunday.
So we were wandering around, and I saw a sign saying restaurant and resort, so I thought, well, let's go and have a look. And initially I was saying, oh, so the restaurant's not open. Lovely woman on the front, was very apologetic, and she doesn't open until 3. We said, well, it is 3. And it's like, oh, okay. So they invited us in. As you can see, the place has still got all the chairs up. We've got a party tonight and so forth. So they invited us in. They've given us cold beer and soda water and ordered some food. So